Yo! What's up? Car's all bagged now. What's up, Kieren? Oh, mad flex.
No.
It's so loud. Just want to say happy birthday.
Thank you.
Congratulations on the bags.
I know.
She's looking mint now. What's with the front still? Yeah. How's it feel to be bagged, bro?
It's good. I love it.
So what was the reason behind it?
So I can pick up groceries.
That's some grocery bag.
I hate asking questions, bro.
What do you mean groceries? You mean boba? You recovered yet from yesterday?
No. Got a headache, man.
I shit you not, this guy took 20 shots at least like yesterday night. Like, I should have recorded the whole thing. He
I
like
was sleeping half the time.
yeah, he chunned it too, so yeah. 24th birthday. Got bags, got wheels coming through. He's got some arms and toes to be set up in this car. You can see the front's a bit high, but that's because he needs some adjustments. And yeah, man. Next time I'll see you with new wheels or what?
Yeah. New wheels, new kit.
That's it. Oh, Leo's having his first photo shoot. That's alright.
Sit.
So this is the website, okay? URL is petbunks.shop, not .com or anything. It streamlines it a little bit. That's just the front page. Gives us a bit of a description of what we are, what we do, some hand-drawn photos, and your choice between cat, dog bears, for example, dog bears, and then we have a few products here. Coming into summer, we really want to be focusing on this one. So there's the pet cooling mat. And surprisingly, this actually keeps your pets cool. Unlike all those other gimmicks out there, this one, like, if you put your hand on it for a while, it wouldn't really heat up as much. So yeah, that's just the website. If you guys are interested, check it out, petbunks.shop.
This is my Leaky Boy rocker cover. Even the cap is leaking. You can see that also is leaking. Dude, there is so much oil in my system. It ain't even funny. And that's the first two spark plugs. Alright guys, so what do I have? I've got two rock cover gaskets. Got all those bushing bolts, or whatever you want to call them. It's a washer, sorry. For all the bolts over here, which needs new ones. And I'll reveal the finishing touches at the end. New cold side PVC hose, and I got the mid hose too. So pretty much everything that's ready to make my rock cover not leak anymore. Super clean now. Alex is the man. He got it. This is the real Audi Technician here.
Whoa, nah, bro. You fix your camera, you're on your own, bro.
Thanks so much, bro. Appreciate it.
Hey, I'll crack it.
Oh, after 4 hours, we got the filter. I'm not going to touch that. That's 4 boys trying it out. Out of everything went so smooth. The only thing that didn't go smooth was the oil filter. Are you serious? Oh, I've been here all day. Linda's not happy. He doesn't approve. Disapprove. Even Leo disapproves. He's here to make me look like a fool. Currently on the way to roll racing. 6:30 now. Gates open at 5 today. We're starting having runs right now. I'm just 10 minutes away, and I'm here with Linda, my little passenger for the day. She'll be recording most of the stuff, or just bash gears and do granny shifts. Yeah, this is the second time. Today, hopefully, I will improve from my previous mistakes. Yeah, should be good.
What did you pick up?
Got your passenger
Oh, nice.
and roll racing stickers.
You're doing roll racing with dress shoes today.
Oh yeah, check out my shoes.
Oh.
I forgot to bring my Vans.
Oh no.
But no complaints, no excuses.
Bruh.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Ready, set. Let's go, babe.
I missed it here. Let's go. We go again? Yeah, yeah.
chopper.
Again, it's gonna chop you again.
You too. Yeah.
I think he beat him. He did.
That feels good.
Oh shit, babe! I didn't record it.
Fuck off.
I didn't record it.
No.
Just
You motherfucker. Woo! You won, baby.
Hey, so how did you think you went with the roll racing?
Oh, yeah, you know what? Proud of myself. I only missed one gear. I was trying to figure out if gear 2 was good or not. So pretty much everyone here does gear 2, right? So I was trying to like go gear 2, clutch down and rev up to my certain RPM where the boost would hit. I did that once, and geez, the car was just fishtailing the whole, like, I thought I was gonna lose the car, eh? So nah, I just did gear 1s after that. Gear 1s, like, it works the best where I'll just go gear 1, go in the high rev, I guess, and just quickly change to gear 2, and in that way, like, I'm already in high rev and gear 2 is already like on boost, if that makes sense. And that worked the best. It got me closer to finally chop cars, as you can see. But yeah, it worked out. I'm pretty happy. I only like missed that one gear one time, and the rest was like, I was fine. That last race, I was so close to be granny shifting, and I almost missed that gear. But nah, it was, that last race I was pretty satisfied. That was pretty good. Yeah.
Cool.
How's your experience?
Good job.
How's your experience as a passenger?
Thought I was gonna die twice today because I was like, woo, and then you went straight. It was like literally like.
Yeah, I seriously thought I was gonna lose the car. Oh my god, twice. I'd say tonight was a good night. I prepped the car up with the new gaskets on the rocker cover because I was having some oil leak on the sparks which caused misfire, and today, I've been driving it for a couple of days now, but the car feels a lot more responsive, better, smoother. It makes a lot of difference, and I'm having no misfire when I'm engaging gears as well. But yeah, today was pretty awesome, right? Yeah,
This one is good. The last one was like 1 year ago where we
yeah, so
our experience from
so
it.
today is the 6th of November
Over a
2020.
year ago.
The first time I ever did it was last year, August 2019. But they were both cold nights. So I'm pretty happy today was a cold night. I don't want to do it in summer because the car just gets hot.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Well, the good news, we did not die. So did your car. Your car didn't die.
So yeah, I seriously almost.
That's the goal.
That second one where I did gear 2 and I did it so perfect on the RPM. I think I was on 5,000 RPM or maybe 4, I can't remember. But as soon as that rev hit and I was in gear 2, then I let go of the clutch and the car just started doing fishtails, like I'm talking S, like it was like a left, right, and then I caught it. It's like, oh, I was looking at the cones, I was like, I'm gonna hit it.
I couldn't see straight no more.
I'm gonna hit it, and
It
then
was
I was
so
like, nah,
confusing.
I caught it. Oh, I just seriously wish someone recorded that. And casually, there's a Lamborghini. Just, yeah, I can't beat that. But you know what? The chaser's not on the tow truck, so that says a lot. Alright, catch you guys next time.